Islamabad, the heart of Pakistan. A city of vision, shaped by serenity and embraced by nature. Conceived in the 1960s as a symbol of modern nationhood, Islamabad rose from the blueprints of ambition to become a living reflection of planning, purpose, and pride. Built on the dreams of our nation's founding visionaries and nurtured by the unwavering efforts of successive CDA leaderships, the capital has grown with grace and order. Today, under the guiding vision of the Prime Minister of Pakistan, the insight of the Interior Minister, and the dynamic leadership of the Chairman CDA, Islamabad has entered into a new era of transformation. In just 1 year, the Capital Development Authority fast-tracked development with unmatched resolve. From highways to housing, bridges to boulevards, a new Islamabad is rising, built for the future. CDA accelerated the development of Sector C14, marking a major step toward affordable housing and sustainable urban growth. Innovation met governance through the launch of the online building plan approval system, introducing speed, transparency, and citizen convenience at the core of urban planning. In a record-breaking 42 days, the Jinnah Avenue underpass was completed. Soon after, Jinnah Square, Serena Interchange, and Recep Tayyip Erdogan Interchange were delivered in just 62 and 84 days respectively, transforming the city's traffic flow and urban connectivity. From diplomacy to delivery, CDA rose to the occasion by preparing the city for the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit, showcasing Islamabad's readiness for the world stage. CDA launched an electric mobility revolution, creating a cleaner, greener public transport network for the city's future. When it comes to beautification, CDA never compromised, and make this city most beautiful capital of the world. Beside this, CDA restored major parks, cleaned nullahs, and introduced energy-efficient lighting across the city. The city witnessed a robust plantation drive, backed by the personal commitment of the chairman CDA, who continues to lead from the front. Through its firm anti-encroachment drive, CDA reclaimed public spaces and restored urban order. Meanwhile, the chairman's on-the-spot resolution of citizen complaints has become a symbol of responsive and accountable governance. During the holy month of Ramadan, CDA established Ramzan Sasta bazaars across Islamabad, ensuring that essential goods remained affordable for all. By evolving into a modern and highly cherished capital, Islamabad now offers a wealth of investment opportunities, from hospitality to residential and commercial estate, inviting stakeholders to help shape its future. This was 1 year of purpose, progress, and promise, but it's only the beginning. With continued leadership, innovation, and public trust, Islamabad will continue to grow, glow, and inspire. The journey continues, and the best is yet to come.